So today we will going to discuss about homeopathy medical officer previous year question. So first question we shall discuss about what is 2021 previous year. So first question is here, the homeopathy medicine Nox vomica is prepared from which parts of the Nox vomica? Fresh seed, bark of the seed, root, nuts, then dried seed. So what is our answer? Let's see from the textbook of homeopathy pharmacy of D.D. Banerjee. Here it is written that Nox vomica seed is prepared in the according to class 4 and 7 and in the old method, and the powder which the part which we used, that is a finely powdered seed. In India, the unofficially homeopathic pharmacopoeia was published by M. Bhattacharya and the cooperative company in the named as Pharmaceutical Manual in the year which year. So first unofficial is means that this question means that first unofficial homeopathy pharmacopoeia was published by M. Bhattacharya at the year of which in the Calcutta or Calcutta. Option A 1893, option B 1993, option C 1894, option D 1888. So what is our answer? Let's see. So first thing, here it is our answer written, that is our answer will be what? 1893. That is our answer. So with this we also have some concept that which is the first year in which homeopathy pharmacopoeia was found, that is 1971. It is also an important question of this topic. So with this answer discussion we also cover up some important question which can be asked in the future year, so that I will publish it then in that way, so that I mention this thing, that is volume 1 HPI was formed published in the 1971, volume 2 100 monograph which was published in the year 1974, volume 3 of the HPI means Homeopathy Pharmacopoeia India. These are the official pharmacopoeia. First pharmacopoeia which is 1893, it is the unofficial pharmacopoeia. Okay, and the concept means first publish of enlarged and last enlarged, and 1962 is the last edition. Okay, so in this way we discuss the all those things regarding the pharmacopoeia answer and also the another concepts. Okay, that is our answer will be what? Our answer will be become 1893. We see na? That is 1893. That is our answer. That is option 1. That is our answer, option 1. Okay, then second question, that is rectified spirit 60 OP contains how much percentage of alcohol? Okay, how much percentage of alcohol is found in the 60 overproof rectified spirit? Option A 16.85, option B 73.37, option C 91.42, option D 94.9. So what is our answer will be? Okay, we see from this textbook of D.D. Banerjee which I see you in this video, that is this is the textbook of D.D. Banerjee picture. It is written that the 60 overproof or 60 overproof means there's it contains 160% of a proof spirit, and it contains 91.29 volume by ethyl alcohol. So there will be percentage of alcohol is 91.29. Okay, this is the important concept of, and its specific gravity is 0.82. These are the important things which can ask in the future question from this topic. So I also concluded that our answer will be what? 91.42. Here 91.29 is written, so approximately 91.42. Okay, then next question, how much percentage of alcohol will be? Okay, then alcohol will be what we discuss. Then next question is Hahnemann standard potency is what? Hahnemann in the Hahnemann period, he used which as a standard potency. So according to Hahnemann, here it is also I written that according to Hahnemann, Dr. Hahnemann said that came upon a strange idea by setting up a standard dose for all curative homeopathic remedies. Means the chronic as well as acute, all those cases he take as a standard dose, that is 30C. Okay, this is our answer, 30C. So answer will be our here 30C and here 91.42 it consider. Okay, then we go next question, that is Hahnemann medicants global. So it is a German language. I can't find its answer properly, but in the net it will says that 50 millisiemens. So it will be say that 50 millisiemens scale, which can be, I don't sure, but this is the question asked in this year of the medical officer question. You see it and remember and try to answer it in our comment box. Then next question is our glycerol are the mixture of a mother tincture of a glycerin in a ratio of what? So glycerin is the vehicle, glycerol is a ointment, external application substance. So how in this glycerol is mixed by mother tincture and a glycerin, it is the thing. So what is the ratio of a mother tincture is to glycerin? So we got the answer by looking at this topic, that glycerin, which is found by the mixture of 9 part of weight of glycerin. Here it is written that 9 part of weight of the glycerin with 1 part of the volume of required mother tincture. Required mother tincture means we want to take what 1:9 is the ratio of a mother tincture is to glycerol. But there is exception, you should remember. It can be asked in the future exam, that is starch. Starch is a starch glycerol, means we take, if we consider this is the Annika, we take Annika glycerol type of then our ratio will be 1:9. But if you want to starch glycerol, then what is our ratio will be 1:4, means 1 part of the mother tincture with 4 part of the glycerin. So it is 1 and that is 4. So that is our answer. What will be our answer will be, that is 1:9, option A. Okay, then next question is that to achieve a rapid cure, 3 conditions are required to fulfill, that is a minimum quantity and a repetition should maintain. So it is written in which edition of the organon? So it is organon question, so we do not discuss, but you can find your answer by I think what 250 246 is can be answer, or 260, I am not sure. Then next question, that is standard drop measure, means what is the standard drop measure as recommended by Brussels conference in 1902, that 1 drop is equal to what? Minim. So means according to Brussels confirmation which is held in 1902, it says that 1 drop is equal to what is the minimum? What is the minimum of which minimum? So 1 drop is equal to which minimum? Our answer will be, we take from the picture of a textbook of homeopathy pharmacy, that is our D.D. Banerjee, and here it is says that 1 drop is not exactly equal to 1 minim, but somewhat we take as a 1 minim, about 1 minim. That will be about 1 minim, but not exactly 1 minim. Okay, that is our answer will be 1 minim. Then next thing, abbreviation for taking medicine every day. So every day in prescription, the physician write the everyday by written which abbreviation? That is our OD, capital O, small d, capital O, then small d. That is our abbreviation term which is written, that is omni die, whose Latin language and meaning is everyday in English. So what is our answer? OD. That is our option 4. Then next question is route of administration of a remedy is termed as what? Pharmacology, pharmaconomy, pharmacopulsy, pharmacopulsy. So option 3 and 4 somewhat similar, but option 1 and 2, what will be our answer? From this we have a answer, that is our answer will be pharmaconomy, because pharmacology is the study of the drugs, but pharmaconomy is the route of administration of a drug and a medicine, such as mouth, nose, eye, skin, intramuscular, intravenous, rectum. These are deals with pharmaconomy. So our answer will be option 2. Okay, then next question will be Henneman has mentioned about employment of a correct medicine in every case in organ of a medicine in which aphorism. It means that Henneman says about the employment of a correct medicine in which animal. Correct medicine is related to which aphorism of a organ of a medicine. That will be our answer will be 265. Here it is written that it should be matter of a consciousness with him. To be him means Dr. Henneman to be thoroughly convinced in every case that patient always take a right medicine. So we should thoroughly convince that the case, and after that we take a right medicine. That deals with aphorism 265. Okay, then next question says that is our answer will be option 3. Okay, then night blooming cereus is the name of a homeopathic medicine. Means night blooming cereus is the cereus or keros, which type of pronunciation you can use. So I think cereus is the most convenient one. So night blooming cereus is the common name of which medicine? Homeopathic medicine. That is our Cactus grandiferous, which is the Cactaceae is the family, and it is found in the tropical America. During the flowering season we use the flower for the medicine preparation. The parts we use, that is, and its common name is night blooming cereus, and this is written by the Dr. Banerjee in the textbook of homeopathy pharmacy. Okay, then we consider next question, that is the duration of a license. What will be the duration of a license to sell a homeopathic medicine in India is valid up to 1st March of the year in which it is granted or renewed, 31st December of the year in which it is granted or renewed, 5 years after the license issue, 10 years after the license issue. What will be its answer? So option A, I also another time I repeat, that is option A says that duration of a license for selling of a homeopathic medicine. Option A, 1st March of the year in which it is granted, 31st December of the year in which it is granted, 5 years after the license issue, 10 years after the license issue. So what will be answer? Answer will be, here it is said that the renewal of a license unless it's suspended or cancelled shall be valid up to 31st December of the year of the following which it is granted or renewed, or if it is expired it will be that is, here the answer will be 31st December it is written. So our answer will be 31st, but somewhat in some case it is seen that 5 years after the license issue is the appropriate answer, I think. So here it can be 2 will be occur at the cancellation of a license if you occur. 3 will be answer when there will be the normal expiry. So general expiry means if the person having one time license get, then after 5 years he should renew. But the license of a selling, that is 5 years will be more appropriate, because second option will be appropriate when if the question asked about the if the cancellation of a license occur, then in which time we can got the license. So that is the answer will be that. So medicine prepared from north pole of magnet is the next question. What will be its options? Magnetipolus Australia, Magnetipolus Arcticus, Magnetipolus umbo, Magnetipolus artificialis. So answer will be Magnetis polo Arcticus. Arcticus, that is north pole of magnet. Normal magnet is named as it is means the natural it is which type of it is impotable means it is impotable. Why? Because it is related to the rays, sun rays, moon rays, that things are related. So it is mainly two type, natural source and the artificial source. Natural source, all those magnet types of magnets are included. In the artificial we include the rays. Okay, in the natural source, natural magnet, a normal magnet is named as Magnetis polyombo. North pole is known, north pole of magnet is named as Magnetis polus Arcticus. South pole of magnet is named as Magnetis polo Australis. And whereas the artificial source, that is electricity, is known as electricitas. These are the medicine. Okay, these are the sources and these are the medicine which we prepared from that sources. Okay, we hope you understand. Then we go next question. That is our question. All potency below 3x of a group N1 means nodes class 1, nodes class 2, nodes class 3 are bear a life period of what? Option A, 3 months after the date of manufacturing, 6 months after the date of manufacture, 3 years from the date of manufacture, 5 years from the date of manufacture. What will be answer? Let's see. That is, our answer will be 6 months from the date of a manufacture. Okay, that will be our answer. That is option 2. Monograph of a drug does not contain details about what? So these things are not written in directly in any book, means D.D. Banerjee book. So what will be answer? We can understand from this going to option. That is option A, description, option B, preparation, option C, identification, option D, dynamic action. So what will be our answer? Okay, what we will think your answer? Please pause and check it. My answer will be 4, because dynamic action does not included in a monograph. Monograph is what? It deals with the preparation, identification of the drug material, but it does not deals with the what will be the drug symptoms and similarity. All those symptoms and similarity are the belongs to the dynamic action of a drug, and these are things are related to the materia medica part. So our answer will be dynamic action. Does not contain, so our answer will be dynamic action. Then next question. Which of the following include the preparation and distribution of a medicine according to the prescription of the physician? So according to physician prescription, which will be our answer? Means which part of the pharmacy it deals? So option A, extemporaneous pharmacy, official pharmacy, theoretical pharmacy, genetical pharmacy. So what is branches of homeopathy pharmacy? Mainly two type: pharmacy proper, genetical branches. So office and a pharmacy proper contain official pharmacy and extemporaneous pharmacy. So official pharmacy contain official pharmacopoeia, whereas extemporaneous pharmacy contain the preparation and distribution of the medicine according to the prescription of the physician. So our answer will be option A. Okay, understand? If you not, then ask on comment box. Then last and question: if a homeopathy vehicle is at which vehicle becomes liquid at 15.5 degree to 16.5 degree is called as which vehicle? Means here the options are given: volatile oil, Vaseline, fixed oil, wax. These are semi-solid vehicle. So at 15 to 16 degree centigrade, which of this semi-solid vehicle becomes liquid vehicle? Okay, so what will be our answer? Will be here you can see fixed oil, because the fixed oil having the melting point 20 degree above. So usually fats while oils melt below 20 degree. So those fixed oil having the fat, so they melt at 20 degree above, but the oils are having fixed oil, which are almond oil, castor oil, olive oil, so our answer will be what? Fixed oil having more than 20 degree centigrade. Okay, fixed oil having more than 20 degree centigrade, above 20 degree centigrade, but oils oil having below 20 degrees centigrade, below 20 degrees centigrade. So our answer will be what? Volatile oil, because fixed oil is not our answer become. Then which drug is prepared from gummy juice? Our answer will be opium. Here you can see opium, which are partly dried juice obtained from unripe capsule. So our answer will be opium, option 1. So I think you understand. If not, then ask in comment box. Let's share your friends, because these are the important things. If you share, your knowledge will be increases. Thank you. Have a nice day.